What's up everybody, John here. In this video you're going to be watching me catch my biggest Chao Phraya catfish to date. This thing was an absolute beast. Also stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you a sneak peek of what's to come in next week's video. So hope to see you at the end. Give this video a like and subscribe if you could. It'd be absolutely appreciated. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Oh. I got my other bait out there. He's coming to shore now. Look at this. 18 kilogram drag. And I can't. Now he's coming straight at me. He's swimming. He's swimming at me fast. Oh my Lord. Chao Phraya Catfish are on. I'm just kind of hoping my other line doesn't go off here now. Because usually when one goes, the other one goes. Oh, I've lost two of these today. Oh, because they swam straight at the shoreline. Hello. But I got one now. Man, today's been rough. Where are you going, buddy? He's gonna go for another run here in a second. Nope, there's a bunch of snags that way. Stay over here. Get back over here. Guys, this one may be the biggest one yet. Oh. There we go. Run number 2. Big run number 2. This one feels pretty friggin' big, guys. He's right here. There we go. Oh, there he goes. They don't stop fighting. That's the MO with the Chao Phrayas. Hi there, bud. Oh, hello. Oh, he's not my biggest one, but he's... God. I feel like he's looking for cover or something. Hello there, buddy. Woo! Alright, let's get you to a landing spot, shall we? And get that hook out of you. Because that's not a good spot to stand or stay. Oh, you're not done, are you? Look at them. They just don't give up. Ever. I don't think I could get down there, bud. Yeah? You cursing me out? Nope. Don't you go on another run. I won this fight, bud. Oh, look at down this thing's throat. Look down that throat. That's crazy. Oh, my Lord, this is my biggest one. Whew. Look at this guy. Whew. Alright, guys. Look at this one. Look at this beast. He's definitely maxed out my fish grips, which also whale my fish. God. God. He's just huge. He's just a monster. Look at this. He's every bit of oh, what, 3-4 feet tall. I can barely hold him. He's just so heavy. Let's see, I'm 5'8", and he comes up to my waist. Man, what a beast. What a monstrous fish. Guys, this has to weigh every bit of 40 kilograms. So let's get him released, shall we? There you go. All right. Good job. Bye-bye, buddy. Thanks for playing. All right, guys. As you saw, that was one heck of a Chao Phraya. These, pound for pound, the hardest fighting catfish I have personally ever come across. Easily. It's not even close. What a heck of a fight. You guys only got to see part of it because wasn't prepared. Didn't have you guys with me. Had to get the hook up because I actually lost 2 fish trying to get you guys and not trying to hook up the fish. So this time I hooked up the fish, made sure I had a good hook set, and then I brought you guys along. So you guys probably missed a good, I don't know, probably minute or so of that first part of that fight. But what a heck of a fish. What a fish. He easily had to be every bit of 3 feet long and about 45-50 pounds, guys. That's definitely my PB as far as the Chao Phraya go. And what's crazy is I know that there are still ones out here that are even bigger. So let's try to get one of those and go from there, because these guys are fun. Where you going? Get back here. Hello there, sir.